Hello, my friends. Wouldn't you love to give a card that looks like this cute little slimline giraffe? Well, guess what? We are just now releasing these, so you better go to our website. Let me share it with you. We have so many fun little samples. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? First of all, yes, we are releasing the Giraffe Slimline. And you know what? Absolutely adorable. Look at how cute this is. You can open him up, or you can write your message in there. Yes, he stands up. Look at that. Oh, you got this. Isn't that adorable? I have more samples. Stay tuned. Also, we are releasing another little peep. I know how much you all love our little peeps. I do too. This one is a zebra. Now, a zebra is really, really fun because, first of all, I have to show you this one because I absolutely love it. Look how cute. This one's just standing out right there by itself. You were born to stand out. That's a good thing. Look at how cute that little zebra is with all the other little zebras. I love that. Now, comes with cute little clothes. Don't forget, my friends, all of the clothing for the little peeps and the shoes, all of them fit all of the other ones. So yes, the zebra clothes are going to fit the giraffe. Yes, they're going to fit the little kids. Yes, they're going to fit the animals, the raccoon, all of them. Yes. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match. Now, for some random reason, I must have designed this one at Christmas time because there's a little reindeer that you could put on his sweater. I just thought that was so fun. So yeah, there's a reindeer to put on his sweater. Crazy, I know. But look how cute. You can even do this little zigzag on his little, outfit, which appropriate, right? Because zebras have zigzags. Get it? Get it? Okay. Now, we're also releasing some Just Breathe type words. So I know they don't look like much here, but give me a second. There is I'm praying for you, just breathe, and on the back, you got this. So what do those words look like? Well, you know what? My design team went crazy just with these words. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? So we're gonna go a little fast, but don't worry. All of these samples are on our website. So look at this. You got this. I'm praying for you. Just breathe. Look at that. Cute, cute. Look, these coordinate. These coordinate. Look, just different words on the front. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. Here's another one. You got this. Isn't that awesome? Just the perfect combination of words that just are going to tell people, hey, I'm praying for you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous with our background? Oh, don't you love that flower background? Isn't it pretty with the colors behind it? You got this. I'm praying for you. Or here's a cute one with our little bear sitting down. Isn't he cute? Look at that. My friend, flowers made everything better. Make everything better. Isn't that cute? I love that. Oh, here's a gorgeous one with our fun border dies. Look at that. Just breathe. Here's another one. Just breathe. Sometimes we just need to tell our friends and family, you know what? It's okay. Just relax. It's okay. I'm praying for you. Comes with the shadow, but look, you don't have to use the shadows, right? Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one. You got this. Now this one's adorable because look, this is a little set. What a cute gift to give to someone so they can send cards out to someone else, right? So we're going to open this up. I'm praying for you. You got this. And just breathe. Using our 4x4 die set. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. Now, moving on, let's go check out our giraffe. Look how cute he is. Now, this giraffe, I'm telling you guys, can be so many different colors, whatever you want. Oh, look at that. Look, 3 different giraffes. So fun. I absolutely love them. This one has orange spots. This one has brown spots with sunglasses and glasses on. I absolutely love it. So cute. Lots of different options on here. And oh, of course, Michelle made a fun little stuffy. I'm telling you, the kids in your life will love these little guys using our wool felt, which is amazing. Now here's another cute one. Oh, and I have another thing to show you. Stay tuned. Here's another one on a slimline itself. So you can make it a slimline shaped card or put it on a slimline. The choice is yours. Now, stay tuned because I have something fun to share with you. It's in this box. Let's look at our zebra samples. Look at how cute this one is. I love those little cute pink cheeks. Open it up. So here it goes. You are unique. That's a good thing. Isn't it adorable? Here's a cute one. My friends that don't like to color, hello, perfect for you, right? Black and white, that's all you need. I love that. Look at that cute one. Be yourself. Oh, how beautiful is this one? You are unique. You were born to stand out. Isn't that fun? Now, my friends, those of you that like our mini ink pads, guess what? Finally, we've been waiting for this forever, right? new ink pad colors in the mini version. We have Pansy, we have Pacific, we have Watermelon, and I don't even know the last one, Grass. Yay! Now these are available in a 4-pack on our website in colors you probably already have, but now you have the minis for ink blending. Yay, finally, isn't that exciting? Club members, come on, I know you know, I'm preaching to the choir here. You guys get 15 to 20% off our entire website. If you're not in the club, you're sort of kind of missing out. You know, it's only $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month and all of the club benefits, even 15% off our website. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and decide which club is the best for you. We have the Stamp Club, we have the Die Hard Club, we have the Fold-it Club, shaped cards, newer club, and the Kit Club, or combinations of different ones. So much fun. Some of you are in our Diamond Club. Diamond Club members and Gold Club members. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go to our website and check it out, because they're getting 20% off on my entire website every single day. It's amazing. Go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.